So I'm going to be showing you my belt. I have just did some windows here, and have my silencer. I use the 18-inch Sorbo 3x4 Quicksilver, using the Sorbo handle today, or Sorbo T-bar, sorry. Then I have my side bag screwdriver. I normally put that here. The brush things off. Squeegee live towels, puck towels, and then I use the Sorbo belt that has the loops. And yeah, that's what I use. And then I have my bucket here, Pull X bucket. And then I also use the using the pole today with my Maker handy sleeve. And normally my handy sleeve will go on my belt too in one of the loops. So my belt, it will be like this. So that's my belt.